The other accused took a revision to the High Court. The High Court quashed the proceedings in the High Court of the Special Judge at Darjeeling on the ground that the Amendment Act was inapplicable to the facts of the case. The position in law, therefore, was that the proceedings against the petitioner were pending in appeal before this court. The appeal was disposed of and a retrial was ordered. There has not thereafter been a termination of those proceedings. If consequently the Special Courts Act does not apply to those proceedings and those proceedings cannot be tried by a special court, that position cannot be escaped by filing a fresh petition of complaint. The filing of fresh petition of complaint will not institute fresh proceedings distinct from the proceedings that were pending in appeal, so long as these proceedings have not been disposed of in accordance with the law. Fresh proceedings cannot be instituted against the petitioner. The brief facts of the case are that a civil suit for permanent injunction was filed in the name of plaintiff through his attorney, that is the present revisionist, against the defendant number 1 and defendant number 2, Municipal Corporation of Delhi. During the course of proceedings, it was informed to the court that the plaintiff had already expired in the year 1984 itself, whereas the suit was filed on 20 June 2004, and hence the learned court directed the plaintiff and his attorney to appear in person. However, none had appeared for the plaintiff or the said attorney, and rather on 14/10/2004 an application was moved to withdraw the said suit, but the learned court proceeded to conduct an inquiry under section 340 CRPC. The said order dated 9/9/2004 was challenged before the appellate court, but the appeal was dismissed, holding that the suit could not have been filed by an attorney on behalf of a dead person, as the attorney, if any, came to an end with the death of the principal. The said complaint filed by the learned civil court was subsequently sent to the Court of Learned CMM Tis Hazari courts on the ground of jurisdiction, and void the impugned order dated 22 June 2018. The learned CMM Delhi has framed the charges against the revisionist accused under sections 193, 196 and 199 Indian Penal Code. Being aggrieved by the said order, the revisionist has preferred the present revision on the following grounds: that the learned trial court has erred in holding that at the time of framing of charge the court need not to appreciate that the evidence or to go its credibility, that the accused revisionist had already withdrawn the civil suit on the technical ground that the suit has become infructuous, and there was no suit pending when an order was passed by the learned civil judge that an inquiry be made whether plaintiff was alive or dead at the time of filing the civil suit, that he has failed to produce any document that plaintiff was not alive at the time of filing of the suit, and it is defendant number 1 who had made a false information that plaintiff had expired before the date of filing of the suit, and the learned civil judge has not made any inquiry till the end of the complaint under section 340 CRPC, and hence the learned trial court ought to have dismissed the complaint